think we fixed the hesitation.
All right, I pulled the tank out of this thing a few days ago, and that'll be in the video, part 1 of this. I got into it, it's not an old tank, it's relatively new, but tiny little bit of surface rust inside, but I'm not real concerned about it. I flushed it out pretty good. Brand new sending unit. I'm going to go ahead and replace some hoses on it. It didn't have a vent on it, so I'm going to go ahead and vent this up into the trunk like it's supposed to be. But we'll get it back underneath the 69, and then we're going to move on to the distributor and stuff. So here she is. If you guys can see, this paint's been spray canned.
Yeah, from about here down.
Yeah, so we're going to come back in and blend that, get rid of that, and add the black striping to the hood. But I don't have very good light in here right now. We'll get some lighting in here later. But I got to hook up the distributor and then finish bolting up the carburetor. Pour a little gas in her and see if we can get her to start. So that's today's project.
That's a washer. It's up to that. It's got to be close.
Yeah, it's here somewhere. Oh, they're all underneath your back.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
All right.
Of course it is. Right in the center. Okay, get the arm in. There we go. All right. Back in business. Piece of cake.
Okay. See if I can get this to get enough in here. We are trying to blow out the crud that has been in this gas line. Watch your eyes when I blow through this, okay? Okay. Okay. You red eye? No pun intended. Anything coming out it?
The fuel already did come out.
Getting air?
Yeah.
Any crud?
Not bad. I mean, honestly, for what it looked like.
Okay, good.
The color's not.
I just think the
There's
filter.
a little bit of mud or red looking stuff.
Yeah, I think the filter caught it all.
Yeah.
They had that line run up across the brake, or the shock bracket.
Not all the way on there the way I want it.
You want some WD-40?
It's going.
Okay. Okay, so we are going to start running all the wires on this thing to get so we can get a test fire on this in a little bit. We're getting the fuel filter back in here because I had obviously, if you guys didn't see the first video, I This is what our fuel filter looks like. And that is Oklahoma red clay, I think, in there. I'll cut it apart in a little while. We'll show a video of that. Oh, let me hook the battery up, that would help. You got her neutral? I hope so, because I'm standing up here. All right, try it. I think we're off. That's what my hair smells like when it burns. Let's see, I gotta hook up all that ignition. This had the this to this thing going for their for the choke.
Did he have the coil?
Well, I pulled it off of there, so we'll have to find a key on hot.
It's too much voltage.
Well, that's
kind of go far. You gotta go to like a wiper motor power or something.
That's what I'd always heard, so that's why I pulled it off of there.
When I had mine working, just temped it up. Literally, when I had it working, I literally ran that wire over, came up in here, and I figured out which one was hot, the key, and I just slid it in there for the time being. But that's where you could tie it to that, the one that's hot up on the.
Okay. Well, that's what we'll have to do. I wonder if that gets hot. We'll key it on in a minute and see.
Those go to.
I don't know. They're coming. They go to the deal up here. The
Oh, the ballast was just missing. Yeah, so it's one. It's in here because I literally just stuck it down in there, so it was like I knotted it up. Boom, had it working.
Okay.
Well, I was gonna tie it in if I kept it, but I never do.
Okay.
You cool with this? This is the
Yeah.
little-
Yeah. I'll do one more down there.
No, I'm gonna do like maybe one or two.
Easy peasy.
It's pretty stiff with that one.
Good.
You know, if we have an issue, what we can do is I'll put another hole in it lower into that air thing because it is pretty tall.
Yeah. Army stuff, man.
Yeah, well, that's how I modify all my stuff.
Yeah.
From the other homes.
Right. Fuel line's hooked up, carb's back, springs on, throttle's on, wires are all tucked. Got the water back, put the antifreeze back in it, and then some gas in it. We'll see if we can start it. Hang on just a second. These go green gas cans. See what it'll do. I'll get some gasoline up there. And you may have to pump the crap out of it. Give me a second, I'll put the charger on it. The battery sounds a little tired. Does that sound too fast for you? Yeah, I can't either. Go ahead. Hey, this is kind of a follow-up to the video. We did quite a bit off camera yesterday because we were kind of hitting some hiccups, literally belching back to the carburetor despite pulling it up top dead center on the harmonic balancer and checking the compression. So we popped the valve cover, ran the number 1 cylinder up to compression stroke with both the valves closed, and then looked at the mark, and it's about 45 degrees off. To be about 45 degrees advanced. So we remarked the harmonic balancer. In the meantime, the HEI distributor module decided that it was going to crap out on us, and so we called the company, Jason, the owner, did, and we had one probably in 24 hours. Okay, so that one's here, it'll get reinstalled, we'll go back in with HEI. But in the meantime, we put the points distributor coil and all that system back on, carburetor on. Car started right up, and it has been running really good. Got rid of all the stutter. If you didn't see the fuel filter from the previous video, you can kind of get an idea here that how bad this was. And that was our fuel delivery problem for sure, but pretty nasty. It looked like it kind of got drug off the bottom of a local lake called Thunderbird. So anyway, quick startup, show you how good this thing is actually starting now. So she's running great, guys, and so off camera we started getting the master cylinder installed and getting the disc brakes on, and so then we're going to do a little paint touch up on it, a few things. So if you would, guys, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all the support we can get. We're really having a great time working on these cars, and we've got several more really cool cars coming in, and I hope you'll hang with us to those too. So have a great day. Thanks.